We have been getting a lot more wind this year than we usually do. If you have too, then you're going to want to watch this video to keep your pool clean. First, you're going to want to get all these leaves out of your pool before they turn it green. But it's not just the stuff you can see that will turn your pool green. It's also the pollen and the dirt and the sand that will get past the skimmer and go straight to your filter. Make sure that's off. Yeah, filter won't come on, so that's good. Now we can go ahead and take this thing apart. Release the pressure. The most common pool filter is a cartridge filter. They have 1, 2, 3, or even 4 filters. Our pool has 4 filters, and I'm going to show you how to clean them. If you don't keep these filters clean, your pool will turn green no matter how many chemicals you use. Alright, looks like that's good. You want to be careful not to touch this too much. It's fiberglass and it'll make you itchy. Alright, well they're green, so I need to wash them off. Those certainly aren't going to clean the pool. Alright, we'll take them out of here. And we'll spray them off with the pressure washer. Alright, I think the 15 and the 0 are way too powerful. They'll destroy those filters. Those filters are paper. We want to go with a lighter one. I'm thinking the 40 might be okay. We'll give it a try. Looks like we don't got any pressure. Something's going on. Maybe we got a kink. Maybe the pressure washer stopped working. Oh, it came unplugged. Maybe somebody unplugged it. I think my wife was saying it was kind of annoying, so maybe she unplugged it. I couldn't figure out what was wrong with the pressure washer. I heard laughter. Yeah, she was telling me it was annoying because it keeps coming on like that. If you haven't cleaned your pool filter before, I set a video timer so that you can see what you're in for. You want to test it first and make sure you aren't damaging the filter. I am using a Sunjoe pressure washer. You don't have to have a pressure washer. You can use a garden hose with a pressure nozzle on it. I just like the pressure washer because the spray nozzle gets in between the slats on the paper filter really good. If you're thinking about getting a pressure washer, I have a video playlist with some of the things that I've used it for. I will have a link to that playlist at the end of the video and in the description below. There is also an Amazon affiliate link in the description if you want to get more information on it. it's going that way, so I guess we'll leave him be. Get out of here. Oh. No, he ain't going anywhere. I guess he's stubborn. Maybe he's stuck. Alright, these are starting to look pretty clean. I got one more to clean up. I got this one to wash, and then I need to get out the wet vac and clean all that crud out of there. I'm going to use this Craftsman wet dry vac to clean out the pool filter. If you haven't seen the video, you might want to check it out. I'll put a link in the description. But yeah, you just take this wet dry vac and then you just vacuum all that crud out of there. Go ahead and wash all this stuff off here. Alright, that looks pretty good. We'll go ahead and put the filters back in. Clean this thing off real quick.
Just remember when you pick this up not to wrap your arms around it. It's got a lot of fiberglass on it and it'll make you all itchy. Line this up to where you can read it, and then you want this to be aiming away from, you don't want it hitting the wall or whatever, make a mess. We did plenty of that with the pressure washer. Get all that crud out of there so we can get a nice seal. Go around and hit it with the softer side of the handle. Make sure it gets a good seal. Alright, now we'll get this thing to build up some pressure. We got lots of water in there, so that's good. Turn the breaker back on. Got the pump going. Forgot to put the bung back on the wet dry vac. Oh, right when you least expect it. Got our pressure building up there. All right, looks like the pool vac's going, and clean those leaves up off the bottom. I'll go get some pool chemicals. All right, so we're going with Kimtech muriatic acid. We're going to do 2 cups. Put a cup of water in here, and then top it off with pool acid. Be careful, this stuff will burn you. When we sprayed everything down, we got all that algae all floating around in the pool. So we'll put this chemical in to kill these chemicals in to kill it. and then we'll wait an hour and put in the chlorine. We'll get it all ready. It'll be dark by then. It's almost dark. You can see the sunset going down over there. Got the sunset. Really pretty. Burning daylight here. Almost done though. I just gotta get this chlorine ready and put away the pressure washer. So it's Chemtech chlorinating liquid. I usually pull these off while I can still see, but once it gets to be dark, it's harder to do this. Get these all ready to go. I just did this the other day, but it didn't do any good because we had all that algae in here. Oh, the pool vac's working good. He's climbing the wall. That's a good sign. That's what happens when the pool filters are clean. The pool vac starts going. His wheels look a little low though. I'll have to replace the wheels on them. Project out here to replace his wheels.
So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and set a timer for an hour, and then I'll come back out here and put some chlorine in, and then I'll come out here tomorrow morning and I'll see how it looks. Just keep your filters clean and your pool will look cool like mine. Check out the Sunjoe playlist right here, or check out the Amazon affiliate link in the description to get more info.